Hi everyone, Ian Aldrich from Progressive Legal. Today talking about trademarks and whether you've got your trademarks registered in the correct legal entity. A lot of businesses start out potentially as sole traders and will register the trademarks with IP Australia in their personal names or in a partnership, which then later becomes a company, or if you're a sole trader, which then later becomes a company, or potentially move to a trust structure with a corporate trustee, a company that's a trustee of a trust trading as your business name. So it's really, really important just to do a bit of a sweep and have a look at your intellectual property and see what name is on the register, because potentially if something happens down the track and for instance, if you've got the trademark in your personal name and you've later moved to a company because potentially what you're doing might have been risky or there was financial reasons to move to a company structure. A lot of people forget to tidy up some of this other stuff that they had as a sole trader, one of them being trademarks, because it only comes up every 10 years for renewal, and then you realize, oh, it's in the wrong name, we need to change that. I can't believe it's been in my personal name for all that time and I've been personally liable. So if there's any sort of infringement or any issue whatsoever with the brand or the trademark itself, then potentially you can be personally liable, or a partnership of 2 or 3 or 4 or more people can be potentially liable. So it's really important to have the correct legal entity. I would say probably 50% of the time we find when we're doing searches for people that have had stuff done in the past, things need to be changed, like addresses for service, the correct legal entity of the name of the trademark owner, and even some of the just general service address, not just the registered address of the owner. So have a little look and just check. If you want us to change some of these things, it's very easy for us to do that. And if you want us to manage your trademarks for you and make sure you don't miss any deadlines, and if you don't miss any correspondence, and make sure that everything is in the right name, just feel free to reach out. I'm happy to do it for you. Thanks.